Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Finviz Screener for day trading. Open Finviz, click Screener, and choose filters for price, volume, and technical signals immediately. Start with stocks above an average volume over 500K to ensure liquidity. Add SMA and RSI filters to spot momentum plays, then sort by performance or relative volume. Save the screen and review it each per market to build a practical watch list. Refine your filters by testing combinations that fit your trading plan and risk tolerance, then iterate quickly. Try relative volume above 1.5 with price between and 0 to catch volatile but tradable names. Add float limits under 100M for sharper moves or over 300M for stability, depending on strategy. Use news and earnings filters cautiously, and always paper trade new setups until you confirm the edge works for you. Create a reliable scanning workflow that you can repeat daily without stress. Run the saved screen per market, then update it after the open to catch breakouts and gap plays. Export top results to your watch list and add brief notes on why each setup qualifies. Check 1-minute and 5-minute charts for entries and a 30-minute chart for trend context, then manage risk with defined stop losses and targets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.